No, but you answered correctly now.
No.
In today's video, I'll be asking my wife some technical questions to see how many she can get correct. As I'll be asking, I will start from the simplest question, and as we progress, the question will get more and more difficult. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Question number 1. Who is the founder of Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg, that's the founder of Facebook.
Yeah, that's correct. What's the essence of IMEI numbers?
IMEI number. I don't know.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question. What are the most popular smartphone brands worldwide?
Apple and Samsung.
That's correct. What are the most popular smartphone brands in Nigeria?
Tecno and Infinix.
Please, let's be sure of your answer. Is it Infinix or Infinity?
Infinix and Tecno.
Okay, so those are the two most popular smartphone brands in Nigeria. Do you watch videos on my channel?
Yes.
Okay, so if I ask you questions from the channel, you can answer.
I can try.
You can try, right? So on the channel, what is the most popular video and what is it about?
How to hack a phone with using IMEI.
Oh, that's correct, which means that you watch the videos on the channel. That's good. Just one more question. How many have we done so far? I think 4. This will be the 5th one.
I think so.
Okay. Why should people watch videos on Mobile First channel?
It gives you knowledge. It enables you to learn new things that you find it difficult doing. Watching Mobile First will allow you or give you knowledge of how to do things that you were not able to do.
That's very good advice. Please follow the advice and subscribe to the channel. Now, one more question before we go. Why do mobile phones nowadays have multiple cameras?
Why they have multiple cameras? I think.
By the way, how many cameras does your smartphone have?
It have 4. 3 at the back, 1 in the front.
Okay, that's great. So the ones at the back, why are there 3 of them? Why don't you just have 1 camera at the back and 1 in front, as we used to have before?
We have 3 cameras at the back. First one is the main camera. Mm-hmm. Second one is ultra wide. Mm-hmm. And third one is macro camera.
Can you tell us what the different cameras are used for?
Okay, the main one is to, when you take a picture, as in just to take a normal picture. Mm-hmm. The second one is to, when you take a picture, for it to make it, if the picture that you are taking is big.
That is, if you are making landscape photography or you are snapping a group of people, right?
Yes.
That is for the ultra wide.
Yes.
Okay, so what about the macro? What do you use it for?
To snap inserts, anything that is maybe any insert to make it a kind of big and maybe.
Yeah.
But no,
but you answered correctly now.
No.
So if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button.
No. We'll cut off this one.
If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.
No, you.